with the run by time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a Starbucks going 6 miles.
Good morning. What can we get started for you?
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Total for that one was $8, and got the next one right away. This is a Jack in the Box going 6 miles.
Dave, you're doing Jack in the Box. This is Amy. How can I help you tonight? Catherine, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
Your churros. You have a good day. Thank you.
You too. Total for that one was $11. Nice. And got the next one right away. This is a Muchas Gracias going 7.5 miles across the river.
Hi, I can help you.
Thank you. Morning. I had a DoorDash for Victoriano.
Yeah, that's me.
Okay, perfect. And I think I need a
1599. I thought I turned that off, but
oh yeah. 15999. Perfect. There you are.
Thank you.
Can
Are
I
you
just
comfortable backing out, or
Yeah.
do you want me to have you?
Is there an opening right there?
Yep. just
Yeah,
right there.
yeah, I'll back out.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Air National Guard, huh? Interesting. I didn't know what to expect because there was actually no address listed. It just said National Guard. So luckily that was super easy. Total for that one was $10 even. Was that worth it? No, not really, because I got to drive most of the way back. Took a while to get back into my zone, but I just parked and they just now gave me an order. This is a Starbucks, $9 going 4 miles.
Olivia here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This next up is a Muchas Gracias going 7.5 miles. Looking like another high mileage day, huh?
Hi there.
Hello. You got Luis?
There you go, hon.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. So they spent at least $50 on this order. I'm not sure if that's including the DoorDash fees or not, but that's what the receipt says. I wonder how much they tipped. That's gonna be a big fat zero. The total for that was $6 and change. Garbage. Next up is a Jack in the Box. This one is going 4.5 miles. Total for that was $6 and change, pretty much the same as the last order, and it took maybe less than half the time. That's crazy. Anyways, got the next order right away. This is Black Rock Coffee going 4 miles. You too. No tip. Total for that was $4 and change. Next up is a Starbucks. This one is $7 going 4 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Morning. How are you?
Should be like 1446.
One more time, sorry.
1446.
446.
Yeah.
There you are.
Thank you very much.
Yep. Have a good day. Just got the next order. This is a Carl's Jr. going 4 miles.
Have a good one.
You too. Total for that one was $9. Oh, I'll be surprised if this one's ready. We got an IHOP going 3 miles. No tip. Total for that was $4. It's been a while since that last order. I've been getting spammed by nothing but trash on Uber, and DoorDash has been dead quiet. I don't think I've even received anything today from Grubhub. Kind of odd, but we finally got the next orders. This is a stack going to the same person. We've got IHOP and Starbucks going 4 miles. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Total for that stack was $14 and change. Okay, good tip on that. Thank you, thank you. Next order up, got a Jack in the Box. This one is going 4.5 miles. Cancel that. Had to pop a quick U-turn because Grubhub finally woke up and gave me their first order. This is a Voodoo Donut, $12 going 3 miles. Thank you.
All right, take care, man.
You too. And on that note, time to go home. Current time is 9:47. Current total, no, just total. We are at 104. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.